In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trigger a birthday gift with Paperform. This process will enable you to surprise someone on their special day simply by using a form that you can create and customize. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process together and set everything up smoothly. Firstly, you'll want to start by creating a new form. Head over to your Paperform dashboard and look for the option to create a form using AI. This can greatly simplify the process by assisting with the basic structure and layout of your form. When you click on Create Form, choose the Use AI option. A great prompt to use here could be, create a birthday sign-up form with name, email, and birthday fields. What this will do is generate a form template that includes essential fields where individuals can sign up to receive a gift on their birthday. Once your form is ready, the next step involves setting up the trigger for the actual birthday gift. For that, navigate to the After Submission settings, specifically to the Success Pages and Redirects section. This is where you decide what happens after someone completes the form. Here, you need to ensure that the submission results in a successful redirect to a special gift, the star of your birthday setup. To make this experience dynamic and tailored, enable the Dynamic Success Pages feature. By doing this, you allow each form submission to redirect to a custom URL. So, paste your gift link in the redirect URL field. This is crucial because this URL will be where your birthday gift is housed, be it a special greeting, a birthday discount, or any other treat you wish to share. Before you rush to send out the form, it's important to test it to ensure everything is working as intended. For this, click on Go to Live Form from the Publish section. This step allows you to experience the form as an end user would. Submit a test entry to confirm that upon completion, it seamlessly redirects to the birthday gift link you provided. Testing will help catch any errors and ensure a smooth experience for your recipients. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a paper form that triggers a delightful birthday surprise. This method not only adds a personal touch to your interactions, but also showcases how easy it is to automate thoughtful gestures. Now, go ahead and spread some virtual birthday cheer among your friends, family, or even customers. I hope you found this guide helpful, and as always,